So you're hungry to become a real estate investor. It's time to take action, but where do you start? I'm going to lay it out, simple method for you to start making your investment dreams a reality. I'm Sean Ryan here with the Blue Coast team. Today, you're going to listen in, chill out, and learn how to BRRRR property. BRRRR is an abbreviation that stands for buy, renovate, rent, refinance, and repeat. First, we need to buy a property. To have the biggest impact, you'll want to buy a property that needs some love and care. Some investors use this approach to get their hands on houses that need a lot of work. They know that by doing this, they can get a better deal. But you should also consider properties that are not being used to their full potential. For example, a raised bungalow can be turned into duplexes very, very easy. That's like a split entry home. Some people look at a home that hasn't been living up to its potential and just feels a little put off. Who would want to live there, right? But smart investors use their imagination, calculations, and actions to find that diamond in the rough. They will aim to get a good price on a home that needs some work and purchase it. Next, you need to renovate. Renovating your house is all about making it the best it can be. You might have to get rid of some things that you don't like, especially outdated, unsightly aspects of the home. But by doing this, you can make the house look great. If you want to add another unit to your home, make sure you do that legally and check with local municipality rules. Make sure to follow all local construction codes and zoning restrictions. This will ensure that your home is safe while having a positive impact on the resale value over time and your community. When your renos are complete, you'll need to find tenants for it. There's two ways of doing this. You could look at similar units in an area what they're renting for, or reach out to your local real estate partner. I'm sure they can give you some great advice. This can be done on Facebook, Marketplace, Kijiji, or like I said, find a local realtor to help advertise it on the MLS. You should be patient when looking for tenants. Don't just choose somebody because you need someone to fill the space. I want you to think about something for that. You might lose a few $1,000s by waiting for that perfect tenant. You will gain tens of thousands of dollars by not having to evict a bad tenant. Now we're on to the third R, and that is refinancing the property. Now the bank's not gonna let you take out 100% of that equity, but they're gonna let you take out a good chunk. And depending on the lender, you're looking anywhere from 70 to 90%. And you should be able to refinance the property, get back what you paid for it, closing costs, and your renovations if done properly. And this will allow you to free up some money to the last and final part of the BRRRR, and that is the fourth R, and that is repeat. So we'll take that money back out and then you can use it to buy another investment property. This is one way that a lot of people will get into the investment industry and also keep buying multiple properties. There's a lot to it. We're just trying to break it down for you really quick right now. If you want to reach out to us, we can give you more details. Anyone on the Blue Coast team would be happy to help you with your investment strategy. Or if you're in another city, I hope this helped for you, and welcome home to the Blue Coast.